Hello everyone. So in the last video we discussed what is inheritance. So and why do we need that? Okay. So here what we are going to discuss is again it comes under the same inheritance, but the mechanism is called polymorphism. Under polymorphism you can have method, overriding and loading. Okay. But we are going to go the overloading because overloading is pretty much is the same. Okay. So what is method overriding? For example, I have method in my parent class. Okay, let me create a method here. Definition, mm, say hi. So I'm printing a statement here. Hello from, or okay, that's fine. Hello from parent. So I'm going to keep the same method in the child as well. But one thing is, I say change the statement instead of parent, I'm putting is child. Okay. Okay, so what we are trying to do is what is happening here. I had this because we know that if in inherit parent, you can access the members from parent table with the help of the child object reference. Okay, what will happen when I have the same the overriding concept? It's just a single statement. What is overriding? A parent and a child both have the same method and same parameters. So that particular scenario called as a method overriding. I'm trying to override a method here. So overriding means I have an existing method, okay? I'm just modify something in the same method, but I'm not going to modify the parent method. I'm going to write a overridden method to update something inside method. So here the message is from parent. I'm updating the message from hello from parent to hello from child. So basically what we're expecting when I'm trying to execute say hi method, normally we will think the hello from parent will be executed, but the thing is it will be executed through the child class method because the parent class method has been overridden by the child class method. Okay, let's print sorry, let's call the say hi method and we'll see which method is going to be executed. Okay, so normally we thought of okay, it will execute the method from the parent class. Okay, let's see. Say I belongs to Allen family and my name is John and I'm from Virginia, belongs to Allen family. Hola, see, hello from child. It is not from parent class, it is from child class. Okay, but why do we need that? Sometimes what will happen is you have a class and it has some kind of logical in it and it has some methods and your extra since I have the parent and class here in the same place, I simply inherit the parent properties and I accessed it and I overrated the method. So there is no change happen in the parent class, only change in the child class. I override the same method and I updated something here. But think about this scenario. I don't have the parent class with me. Okay, so I have a jar file. I imported the class from the jar. Okay, so you need to override the same way with the method name. So you can have your own logic. Okay, so for example, you are extending something which is from the jar file. Okay, for example, you have a jar file which has a method called add. It will add two numbers. Okay, and you inherit the method. And when you inherit the method, you don't want to add only two numbers, and also you need to multiply with some random number. or some hard-coded number. So in my existing method, it will just, for example, I have two variables called a and b. So it will just return the value as a plus b. That's it. When you override the method, I can do the same thing. Also, I can add some additional stuff also. I can add a plus b and I can multiply with 10 and I can multiply with 20 and I can write my own logics. Okay, that is where the overriding comes into the place. Overriding means I have something existing and I'm going to override it, but the method name will not change. Okay, so just make sure you will be clear on the method overloading and method overriding, because so far we have seen method overriding only. Okay, so what is overloading? Overloading, it's the same thing but different concept. Again, it will have the same method, but it will have the different parameters. Okay, think about this scenario. Um, I have the same method, but I have another parameter here called welcome message. So, so here welcome message. So I have welcome message and the message. See, I have same methods in parent and child, but the only thing different is the parameter is different. That is called overloading. So I can call this method as well, but I need to pass a message. Welcome message. Hello, or welcome to the family. Let's run this. Say hi takes one personal parameters. Okay, what is happening here? Just give me a second. Okay, have you seen what is a error message here? Say hi takes one positional argument, but two were given. Okay, see here I have a say hi and it has a two inputs, and here I have one. The problem is when you're talking about the method overloading. Okay, so Python, it will not support method overloading. Okay, what will happen? It will take the latest implementation, which is nothing but the say hi hello from child. If you're trying to call this method, it will end up with an issue. As we see here, same issue. So what you need to do is, I forgot to say in the beginning, the method overloading, this is the concept of method overloading, but it won't support it in Python like other languages. Okay, let's run this. See, hello from child, which is nothing but the overridden method. I mean, or you can say the method which the latest updated method. Okay, so when you're talking about the oops in Python, just keep that one thing in mind. We do have a method overriding in oops concept, but unlike other languages, Python internally it won't support the method overloading. Okay, but keep that in mind. What is overloading and what is overriding? Overriding is the same method name and the same parameters, but when it comes to overloading, the parameter is different. Same method name, but the thing is, it will only execute the latest implementation. Okay, based on the method name. Okay, guys, just give it a try and let me know um, if you guys have any clarifications. And it's been a pleasure to teaching you this particular language. The one thing I'm trying to tell you is just keep doing some hands-on work to improve your programming skills, because there are a lot of stuff there in the Python, but the so far we have covered the necessary things which is needed for the beginners. Okay, just be strong on the core, and then we'll move on to the advanced level of programming. Okay, thank you everyone to sticking with me for such a long period of time. Um, we'll see other we'll see each other in the next video or another different advanced concepts of Python. Thank you so much.